Listen up. Anxiety doesn't just knock on your door. It barges in, elbows you aside, takes over your brain and body, making you feel like you're drowning in your own head. You're grinding through endless meetings, decisions that weigh a ton, deadlines that never stop stacking up. But inside, that chaos is like a live wire humming in your chest. The tightness, the racing thoughts, the irritation that's ready to snap. None of that's going away on its own. You can't just muscle through fear and overwhelm. It's like trying to outrun a storm with all your limbs but no shelter. Here's what most don't get. Anxiety lives in your body before it wrecks your mind. It's stuck in your jaw, twisting your stomach, tightening your shoulders, slowing your breath until you don't even realize you're holding yourself hostage. Ignoring it? That makes it louder, meaner, more insistent. Facing it head-on feels terrifying because it's raw and uncomfortable. But there's a way to stop this madness that's right under your nose. Something so simple, it's almost crazy how few know it, yet it's ruthless in killing anxiety fast. The body scan. This isn't just some feel-good new age fluff. The body scan is a weapon against stress that rewires your nervous system before your mind even catches up. Here's how it works. Start by dropping every demand on your focus. No multitasking, no fighting the feelings, just landing your attention 100% on one part of your body at a time. Feel your feet. Just notice what's happening without judgment. Not "I should feel better," just "this is what's here." Now move to your calves, your knees, your thighs. Keep moving slow and steady. This isn't a checklist. It's a surrender to your own physical reality. Why does this matter? Because anxiety thrives on your mind-spinning loops, on the stories that replay like broken records. What if this fails, or that explodes? But your body? It doesn't lie. If you tell your mind to calm down, it hears noise. If you tell your body to check in, it's a line straight to peace, hiding in your muscles and nerves. When you focus deeply on your body, you interrupt the mental storm. The brain gets a signal. Hey, we're grounded, safe here. No attack, no run. Your parasympathetic nervous system kicks in. It's the rest and digest mode you forgot you had. Your heart slows. Breathing eases. The tightness melts. Now let's get practical because pretending this is easy is dumb. Anxiety is ruthless. You have to be relentless back. Here's a brutal truth. Practicing the body scan once won't cut it. But done right? 5 to 10 minutes, twice a day. It rewires your response to stress like a muscle getting stronger. You commit to being painfully present with the discomfort, not pushing it away, not distracting yourself. When the brain screams to jump back into chaos, push harder to stay fully connected with your body. Feel the pressure in your chest. Notice how your belly moves with each breath. Watch what happens when you don't react. This practice doesn't just calm you on the spot. It builds a bridge to total freedom from the usual panic. It rewires how you approach your work, your decisions, your fights to build something meaningful. When the noise dies down, the clarity floods in. The sharpness you thought was lost under stress? It comes back multiplied. You operate not from a place of reaction but control, the kind that leaders need every damn day. And don't kid yourself thinking it's some soft skill. This is mental armor for the fighters who refuse to settle or stall because their head's tangled in stress. The body scan is about showing up fully, when the whole world tells you to be wired and burnt out. It teaches you to own the moment no matter how gnarly it gets. Once you start running this routine like a habit, you're not just melting anxiety, you're hacking the system programmed to keep you stuck. You step above the noise, above the tension, and it's not some magic trick. It's you, grounded, steady, sharp as hell, ready to build what matters without your body burning you out first. Do this every day. No excuses. No fluff. Make your body your ally, not your enemy. That's how you kill anxiety instantly. Not by fighting it in your head, but by facing it where it lives. Lock in, scan yourself thoroughly, and watch what happens when the storm inside finally clears. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.